and again I-V-A, and again I-V-A, and again Ivan the Inspector!
Hi friends, I'm Ivan the Inspector. Today we're going to be inspecting planting seeds. Won't you come along and learn with me? Great! Did you know that some of the fruits and vegetables, actually all of the fruits and vegetables that you eat are from plants? Isn't that cool? Well, today we are going to plant our own fruits and vegetables. Wow! Fruits and vegetables are so good for you. They have vitamins and they keep you healthy. Look at this down here. We've got everything we need to plant our own fruits and vegetables. We have some seeds, got planters, we've got a little spray bottle, and we've got some soil. That's another word for dirt. Let's look at all these different kinds of seeds that we have. Whoa! We have a sweetie tomato. That looks really good. A honeydew melon. That looks awesome. We've got some spaghetti squash. That's a fun word, spaghetti squash. What else do we have here? We have a zucchini. That's also a fun word, zucchini. We've got a yellow pear tomato. We've got a Roma tomato, all kinds of tomatoes. Look at this, we have a pea. We've got, look at that, basil. That's another fun word, basil. Oh, a watermelon. Have you ever seen one of these? They're big, but look how small the seeds are. That's amazing. We have a rainbow bell pepper. Look at all of the colors. What colored peppers do you see? We have red and yellow, orange, green, and last one, that's right, it's purple. That's cool, there are so many colored peppers. All right, what else do we have? What is a rabbit's favorite food? That's right, carrots. Those look so yummy. All right, last one, we have a cucumber. Isn't that awesome? We have so many different kinds of fruits and vegetables to plant. Wow, all right. We are gonna plant these seeds in these things. These are called planters. So we're gonna lay all of these out. Can you count along with me to count how many planters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good job, keep going. 6, 7, 8, almost there, 9, and 10. Great job, we have 10 planters. All right, in order to plant these seeds into the planters, we need to put a couple of things in, but I have a great idea. Before we do that, why don't we take a dance break? Stand up and dance with me, come on. Wow, I feel so much better after that dance break, don't you? I think we're ready to plant some seeds now. All right, seeds need a couple of different things to grow. First thing we need is soil. It's another word for dirt. Whoa, look in there. Look at all of that dirt. All right, we're gonna pour some of this dirt into the planter. You ready? Here we go. Whoa! Wanna make sure I don't spill. Oh, spilled a little bit, that's okay. Here we go. Now fill it up with some of that soil. Whoa, that's looking good. Get in close and look at this. That looks awesome. All right, we're gonna spread the soil out just a little bit. That's looking good, that's looking good. All right, what kind of seed do we wanna plant first? Why don't we do, let's do the carrot, the rabbit's favorite. All right, so we're gonna open this up to get to the seeds inside. Here we go. Looking good, looking good. Rip it open. They're making it really difficult. Let's try this again. Oh, there we go. Look at all of those seeds. They're so tiny. Can you believe that they will turn into carrots? That's so amazing. All right, we're gonna take a pinch of seeds and put it into the planter. Do you see the seeds on there? We'll keep pinching them out here. Here we go, it's looking good. Very nice. All right, so we have the seeds in the soil. I'm gonna push them down just a little bit. We'll get them covered up, surrounded by the soil. Very nice, that's looking good. All right, so we have the first thing that the seeds need, that's soil. The second thing they need is water. So we've got this handy dandy water bottle to make sure that the soil is just a little bit wet. It'll be perfect for the seeds. All right, you ready? Okay, this isn't where this was working earlier. I don't know if it. Oh, okay, it is working. All right, here we go. Let's get just a little bit of water on the soil. Oh, that's looking good. Awesome. Let's plant another one. What do you think? All right, let's take the soil and we're going to dump it into the planter. There we go, looking good. A little more. Yep, a little more. Oh, that's looking great. Let's spread out that soil a little bit. What should we plant next? What about a cucumber? Yeah, let's try it out. All right, we'll open up the seeds. Whoa, look how different those look. They're a lot bigger than the carrot seeds. That's awesome. All right, let's take a couple of each of these and we'll drop it into each section of the planter. We drop a couple in because sometimes the seeds just don't grow. So if we put a couple in, we've got a better chance of getting a plant. Couple more. Oh, let's get one more in this last one. Oh, that's looking great. All right, let's push these down into the dirt just a little bit. There we go, looking good. Looking good, there we go. Tucked away there, perfect. All right, so the seed has soil. What was the second thing that he needed? That's right, it's water. Let's take our handy dandy water bottle, give it a couple of squirts. That's awesome. All right, I think we can plant one more. What do you think? Let's try planting the rainbow peppers. There's so many different colors on them. All right, here we go. We're gonna dump in the soil. Whoa, some fell out. All right, here we go. We're gonna spread it out. Let's open up the bell peppers, or should I say the rainbow bell peppers. All right. Oh, interesting. The seeds aren't different colors, they're all the same. But they're gonna change into different colors when they turn into peppers. How cool is that? All right, we're gonna take a couple of each of these. I'm gonna put them in each. There we go, just like that. Oh, we got a bunch in that one. There we go. Last one. Perfect, and we're gonna tuck them in tight. Perfect. Cover that up like that. Cover that up like that and like that. All right, so it has soil, and then the second thing it needs? That's right, it needs water. Here we go. Excellent. All right, the last thing that these seeds need is one, they need warmth. It's kind of cold outside, so I'm gonna bring them inside. The last thing that it needs is sun. Did you know that plants get energy from the sun? That's awesome. All right, I have something really cool to show you. Come here. I planted these about a week ago. Look at them. We've got these little things. These are called sprouts. It means the plant is starting to grow. Can you believe that? It's sticking out of the soil. If we keep taking care of these, we're eventually going to have some fruits and vegetables to eat. Isn't that awesome? Wow, look at this one. It's got a couple leaves on it. I can't wait to eat the vegetables that we grew. Wow. Well, thank you so much for coming along and learning about planting seeds with me. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, type in Ivan the Inspector. Bye!
I-V-A